Hi, this is Cindy from Printout.com. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a football baby shower chip bag favor. For measurements and where to buy the supplies to complete this chip bag, please click the link in the descriptions or go to Printout.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIY baby shower favors. Here are the things you will need to complete this football chip bag. Some double-sided tape, a pair of scissors, a small bag of chips, a paper crimper to create some patterns for the chip bag, and a football baby shower printout template. And now let's begin. The first step is to put your printout in front of you with the wide part facing you. The second step is to put some double-sided tape on the top, right, and the bottom to save you some time. I've already done so with mine. And the third step is to put the bag of chip in the middle and also remove the red liner from the right side. And step 4 is to use both of your hands to align the left side and the right side together, so let them to stick together. Like that. And step 5 is to peel off the red liner from here, the top part. I guess we need to readjust the bag of chip. And then next we need to step 5 and then align these two together so it will let them stick together like that. And step 6 is to turn to the other side and peel off the red liner also. And do the same thing, align the top. And then step 7 is to use the paper crimper to make some patterns to make it more look like a chip bag. So we're gonna put it in here. And then turn it to the other side and do the same thing. See, this is what it looks like. I have made additional 2 more to show you. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For supplies, please go to Printout.com or click the link in the descriptions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.